Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My title presentation is Earthquake Disaster Preparedness Training for Women Members of the Aisyah Kulon Progo Regional Leadership. My name is Yeni Widowati. As a team leader and member is Rahmawati Hussein. Introduction. Indonesia is one of the countries that are prone to national disaster. The special region of Yogyakarta province has high potential for natural disaster because its southern region is dominated by coastal areas and in the northern region stands one of the most active volcanoes, Merapi, Mount Merapi. The important preparedness is one of the important elements of proactive disaster risk reduction prevention activities. Problem formulation. What is the role of women, especially members of the Aisyah Kulon Progo Regional Leadership in preparedness for earthquake disaster? Methodology, the implementation method is two stages, and the first is counseling, and the second is training. Result and discussion. Implementation of community service. The implementation of community service was carried out on February 2025 at the Muhammadiyah Kulon Progo Dakwah Building. The process, first counseling stage. Families have an important role in dealing with earthquake disaster known as disaster resilient families. Disaster families have the ability to take action that need to be taken before, during, and after disaster occurs. Before disaster occurs, for example, protect assets with insurance, share rules between family members during a disaster. When disaster occurs, include seek help from the government. And the after an earthquake, including following government direction and cleaning the house. Seeking information on the disaster status to be able to return home if the disaster has been declared safe. And the two stages is training. Disaster preparedness training was delivered by Mrs. Dolina. Then simulation of what should be put in disaster preparedness bag if an earthquake occurs. For example, of disaster preparedness bag contents are host certificate, education certificate, saving book, education certificate, and so on. Conclusion. The result of implementation show that a woman have an important role in the event of the earthquake, which is divided into three stages, namely before the earthquake, during the earthquake, and after. The stage before the earthquake must be preparedness by putting important document in the disaster preparedness bag. Then when an earthquake occurs, it is necessary to carry out independent evacuation. Furthermore, after the earthquake, follow government direction on what to do and also clean the house if conditions are conducive. I think it's enough. Thanks for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.